Hi, this is Patrick from JDM Gems. Today we're going to be replacing a fuel filter on a 1992 Honda Street. The process is quite simple. All you're going to need is a pair of needle nose pliers and the fuel filter. The fuel filter we're using is a Purolator F50255 part number. This is a perfect replacement for the Honda Street. So the first step is we're going to be pressing in these tabs. The way to do that is we're going to get the pliers up where the fuel filter is, and we're just going to simply press in the tab and pop it out. So we're going to begin by taking the pliers back here. We're going to feel for the tab with our finger, place the end of the plier into where the tab is and push into it. And then we'll just slide it out. And then we'll start working on the hoses. So if you're doing this inside the garage, you might want to have something to catch the fuel that's going to come out. So when we begin, there's going to be 2 metal clips on each side. We're just going to be squeezing those with pliers and pushing them out the way so we can slide the fuel filter off. Make sure you keep note of which side is the inlet and which side is the outlet. You don't want to get this reversed. Alright. Alright. Now we're just going to twist the fuel lines and slide them off. I think it's going to screw it indefinitely. So one thing I realized on how to stop the gas from flowing is this is the fuel line that goes to the tank. It's going to be spewing out gas. So what you do is you raise it above the highest point on the gas tank, let all the gas run to the gas tank. So you just have air in the line and then pull it back. And then there won't be any more gas coming. So that'll stop all the gas from flowing out. And now to install it, just the opposite. We'll put this back on. Alright. And then we'll just slip it back into place. Alright, and that's it. So I like to do this service quite often because particles could get stuck in the carburetor on these Honda Streets and Honda Actives. This process is different for the fuel injected fans. So if you fuel injected fan, it's actually a little bit easier. You're going to be using the same filter as a CRV. But if this video did help, subscribe and like the video. So if you're doing this inside the garage, you might want to use a
drip fan.
I'm gonna call it a drip fan. What is this called?
I thought it was called a drip fan, bro. Okay, I'm gonna start this over.
Alright.